Hey guys, I'm Akash and welcome to Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is automatically add new Salesforce contact to Xero. Now suppose guys you are a business owner and you are using Salesforce as your CRM application and you are using Xero as an invoicing software. Now you want that whenever you get a new customer, you have to add that customer into your Salesforce account as a contact and also into your Xero software as a contact as well. Now the manual process of adding the very same person in your two different applications on a daily basis can be very much repetitive and time consuming. So in this video, I came up with an awesome automation by which whenever we will create a new contact in Salesforce, automatically the very same contact with same details will be get added in our Xero software as well. So guys, you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now, what is the actual step-by-step guide to set up this automation and how you can set up this automation by yourself? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So after reaching this dashboard, click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I'll name my workflow as Salesforce to Xero and click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first we have to get the details or the data of new contact which we are creating in our Salesforce account in Pabbly Connect. Then after that, we will send that very same data using Pabbly Connect to Xero to create the very same contact in our Xero account as well. So here in trigger window in choose app, we have to search for Salesforce first. Salesforce it is. After selecting Salesforce, in trigger event, we have to select new contact. After selecting the trigger event, click on connect, select add new connection. And here we have to connect our Salesforce account to Pabbly Connect. So just click on connect with Salesforce. And because guys, I have already logged into my Salesforce account in my browser, the Pabbly Connect automatically detected the very same account. And it is asking us for the authorization permission. Just click on allow. And now we can see that our Salesforce account will automatically get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, when I will click on save and send test request, the response or the data of the most recent one, most latest one contact which we have created in our Salesforce account will be captured over here. So let's create a contact first. We will go to Salesforce, click on this plus button and we will create a new contact over here. Let's enter a name, for example, Miss Ashirai. This is the first name, this is the last name. Let's enter an email address as well for them. And a phone number. This is the phone number. After that, it is asking us for the account name. Let's ignore it, and a title. I will ignore the title as well. Just click on save. So just now we have created a new contact in our Salesforce account by the name of Ashirai. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and click on this save and send test request button. Now after clicking on save and send test request, we have received a response over here. We will scroll down to this response and we will find that in this response, we have the details of the very recent contact Ashirai, which we have created in our Salesforce account just now few seconds ago. So we have this very same first name, very same last name. We have the full name as well and the salutation. Then we will scroll down and we will find the very same phone number which we have added as well as the email address of this very same user or very same contact. So guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is this simple to complete. We have successfully connected our Salesforce account with Pabbly Connect and received the data or the response of the very recent contact which we have created in our Salesforce account inside Pabbly Connect. Now we just have to move to step 2, where we will send this very same data to Xero to create the very same contact in our Xero account as well. So let's scroll down and come to our action window over here. And here in choose app, we will search for Xero. Xero it is. After that, it is asking us for action event. So here in action event, we will select create a contact. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now this time here we have to connect our Xero account with Pabbly Connect. So let's click on connect with Xero. And then to make the connection in this dialog box, Pabbly Connect is asking us for the client ID and client secret. So basically guys, first we have to create an app in our Xero account, and after that creating the app, we will find the client ID and client secret for that particular app added in our Xero account. And after that we just have to enter those details to make the connection. Now to create the app, we have to go to the developers page of our Xero account. So just in the hypertext below, we have a hyperlink which is named as Xero Developers App. Just click on this hyperlink and it will take us to the developers page of Xero. Just click on this login button and using your Xero account, log into this page. After reaching the developer page, just go to My App section and here just click on this New App button. Give your app a name. For example, I'll name my app as Salesforce. Then select the integration type as Web App. And scroll down, and then here it is asking us for the company or application URL and redirect URL. So guys, basically you must be thinking from where we will find this company application URL or redirect URI. So we will get back to Pabbly Connect, and here in help text at last we have a sentence that says you can create a developers app in Xero developers area as explained here. And at the last word here it is a hyperlink. Let's click on this as well. And it will redirect you to a page on our forum. And at this very same page, you will find all the details regarding your app creation and Xero connection with Pabbly Connect. So on this very same page, we will scroll down so we can find that all the steps over here. And we will reach here, we will find that we have a company or application URL and redirect URI. So just copy the company or application URL from here, from this forum page, go back to your Xero account and the developers page and paste it over here. Then we will get back to forum, copy this URL for redirect URI from here, go back to app management page and paste it over here. And just select the terms and condition and click on create app. And now guys, it was this simple to create an app in Xero. So now we can see that an app named as Salesforce is now created in our Xero account. Now let's click on configurations. And at this configurations page, we will find the client ID of our Xero account of this app. Just copy the client ID from here, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in this dialog box. Now to get the client secret, once again we'll get back to this page and we will click on generate a secret over here. Just copy this secret as well, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Now just click on save. And after clicking on save, we will see that our Xero account is now successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. But first it is asking us for the authentication. Just click on allow access. And the connection is done. Now we can see that the connection is successfully completed. Now after making the connection, it is asking us for the organization. So I have only created one organization in my Xero account. So that is named as Paritosh Sahu. So we have selected that organization. Then it is asking us some details of the person or the contact which we want to create in Xero. So here it is asking us for the contact name. So we have received the name of the contact which we have created in Salesforce in our trigger window response. So in this response, we have received the name of the contact. This is the name. So basically we have to map this very same name, very same response over here in this contact name field. And the process of mapping guys is very simple. Simply click on this field and from the drop down below, we can see that all the responses which we have received from Salesforce can be seen over here. And out of all these responses, select the response of name. Then it is asking us contact code, account number and some other details. So we can ignore these details. These are not mandatory. Then it is asking us primary person first name. So now after mapping the full name, it is asking us for the first name, last name and email of that very same contact. So we will click here. We will select the same process of mapping from the drop down below. Select the response of first name. Then we will follow the very same process for last name as well of mapping. And we have also received the email address of the contact which we have created in Salesforce in this response. So we will map the response of email as well. Then it is asking us for the bank account number, text number and address as well. But these fields are also not mandatory. So we will definitely ignore these fields for now. And we will scroll down and it is asking us for a field of phone number. So we have received the phone number. So we will map it for sure. So from the drop down below, we will map the phone number of this very same contact. This is the phone number, let's map it. And after mapping all these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we have received a response over here. And in this response, it seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a contact named as Ashirai is now successfully created in our Xero account. So now we will check our Xero account that whether a contact named as Ashirai is created over there or not. So let's go to Xero, go to contacts page. And yes guys, we can see that Ashirai, the very same contact which we have created just now few minutes ago in our Salesforce account, is now successfully added as a contact in our Xero account as well. That too automatically. Which means the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. And guys, let's just get back to Pabbly Connect and understand in brief that what are the steps we followed to set up this awesome automation. And guys, one more important thing. The connection between Pabbly Connect and Salesforce is based on a polling technique in which the Pabbly Connect takes the data from Salesforce, the new updated data from Salesforce every 3 hours. You can see in the trigger window over here. So if you create a new contact in your Salesforce account, automatically after 3 hours, the very same contact will also be get created in Xero as well. So guys, first, for creating this automation, first we have created a workflow inside Pabbly Connect. And in this workflow, in trigger application, we selected Salesforce and the new contact was the trigger event. After that guys, we have connected our Salesforce account with Pabbly Connect and collected the data or the response of the very recent contact which we have added in our Salesforce account. And after getting the details of a new contact, we have sent that very same data to Xero to create the very same contact in our Xero account as well. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.